Yes, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 10th of August 2018. This is just my daily video where I run through all the trades or trade management that I've done on the daily charts for both the Mod MACD and the high probability methods this morning. So let's go to the charts and have a look. We'll start with the Mod MACD first. This is all daily charts. Now let's look at my notes. Australian Aussie USD, I was in a buy and once again I've closed out the buy for a loss. There's a confirmed cross on the fast MACD, but there's not enough yet to take the sell signal. The standard MACD is not in sell mode. There's no red QMP dot either. So just look at this pair, driving me nuts, but that's the way it is. So it's the Aussie USD, that buy is being closed for a loss. Not a huge one, but just another one. Euro USD, I'm in a sell from back here. We're close to a previous low. I probably should have marked it on. We're on a level that's fairly significant with the euro. It's touched there a few times, as you can see along the bottom here. So all I've done this morning is closed 0.01, so 1/3 of my position, and I've placed just a safety stop up at 1.17562. So just taking a bit of profit there. If you continue down, it's good. I've still got 2 micro lots in there. So that's Euro USD. Aussie Swiss franc, another one like the Aussie USD. This one's causing me a little bit of grief. I was in a buy this morning. There's a confirmed cross, so that buy's been closed for a loss, so no longer in that. But there's not enough again to get me into the sell as yet. There's not enough criteria met. Actually, I'll lie, there is. I'll have a look at that. I'll get back to you on that, because I've got a red dot on the QMP up here. I've closed below the 25 SMA. Definite confirmed cross of the fast MACD. Standard MACD is not quite there yet, but there's enough. I'll come back to that and I'll let you know later, but should have been watching that. New Zealand USD in a sell. I have closed 1/3 of my trade this morning. It's a nice big move down, just locking a little bit of profit. There's been a stop placed also at 0.67712. So I've still got 2 micro lots left in that, so it's going well after the New Zealand news. So that's NZ. Pound New Zealand. Had a stop in this back from the UK interest rate news, and I sort of just left it there and I got taken out by it. It's probably a good thing. So I was in a sell, got stopped out for a loss on this. That's a pound New Zealand. Can't yet take a buy because it's not a confirmed cross as such. Even though there's a green dot there, it has to be confirmed. That could roll over today and that dot could disappear. Highly unlikely, but could. So that's a pound New Zealand. That sell's been stopped out. So I'll get rid of all that. Aussie New Zealand in a buy, going up nicely. All I've done this morning is taken 1/3 off the table, so closed 1 micro lot, leaving me 2 micro lots left on the trade, just locking in a bit of profit, and a stop set at 1.09603, just underneath the point of entry. It's probably a bit of an aggressive stop, but I think the 25 SMA will head up there and meet it in the next couple of days. Can't see it dropping too quickly. So that's it for the Mod MACD. Let's switch over to the high probability daily. Check the notes. Waiting. Alright. They're on the high probability daily charts here. Euro CAD in a sell from back here, also on a buy from here. All I did this morning is move my sell stop down to this high here. So it's 1.51981. So hopefully the buy will find some support here, and it'll eventually head up. Once it crosses that blue level there, that's my entry point. I'll be in profit, then I'll take out my sell, remaining sell, and hopefully keep on going up. That's the theory, that's the plan. So stop just moved down on the sell trade, the Euro CAD. Euro Swiss, very similar, except there's no buy trade. Price has got to this sort of support level here. You can sort of go out a little bit, so it's a fairly significant support level. All I've done is move my stop down this morning on the sell down to 1.15642, just locking in a bit of profit, or 641 there. So just locking a little bit of profit there. I've got a blue dot down here, so I've got to tighten it up, that's all. So that's Euro Swiss. CAD Swiss took a new sell trade here this morning. Look, it's not exactly setting the world on fire. Look at the MAs, they're super tight. Three of them are actually on top of each other. Price is sitting on the 240 LMA. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not. That's a slightly higher risk trade. But we've got divergence, regular bearish divergence. You can see the lower low on the lower high on the mod MACD. Alright, let's start again. Got a lower high on the MACD Platinum and a higher high on price. So there's a divergence there. Look, it's not the world's best setup. I'm not super excited about it, but it complies with everything. There's bearish JAGfx RD, so it's just I'm concerned it's so tight in here, that's all. And we're on the 240 LMA. And the pound New Zealand. I took a buy on this morning, new buy. Stop's a long way down. I was going to actually place it below this. I was going to place it below the bottom blue trend line, but that's just too far away. So basically, it's the buy here, stops in place. But as you can see, it's a bit ugly, this chart, but it's the MAs are technically up, but they're fairly flat. There's bullish JAGfx RD. Good support level down here, so it's all set up for a trade, but I'm not sure how much. That's a big bullish candle, and this thing does move a fair bit, so we'll wait and see. But new buy in the pound New Zealand. I'm trying to probably justify it here, but it complies, meets all the criteria, so we're taking it. Just stopped a little bit big. So that's about it, guys. I will get back and have a look at that Aussie Swiss, and I'll let you know in the part 2 update on the Facebook group. Make sure if you haven't done so already, everyone's welcome to join the Facebook group for JAGfx. It's a private group, fairly friendly sort of bunch in there, so it's all good. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. If not, just hit the like button. Thank you, and I'll chat later.